Hello guys, okay, in today's video I'll show you a new updates for section edit and LED lights in custom ceiling. Okay, so you guys can go to ceiling function and double click on the ceiling. Okay, and then let's say you want to do cornice on the ceiling, you can go to section library. Okay, you can go to edit. So let's say you drag one here. On the right screen is the camera. You can see the cornice. Okay. If you want to delete it, just select and press delete button on your keyboard. Okay, and then you can drag a new one. Okay, as you can see here, you can click complete to edit it. Okay, just select, right click. Okay, you can go to section edit. Okay, so this one you can adjust the position. Okay, adjust the position of the cornice. Okay, then you can close the tab. Okay, down here you can change the color. Okay, for plain color you can go to paint material. Okay, this one got gloss and matte type, right? So next down here is the size and rotation, okay, and then you can just double click on the scene to go back to the design page. Okay, this one. Okay, and then for the LED lights you can go to lamp tube. Okay, just drag the circular lamp. Okay, you can see on the edge. Okay, this one, this is a LED light. Okay, it will be at the edge, okay, at the side of the ceiling. Okay, so this one I'll drag the next model, which is a lamp tube. This one is square shape. Okay, alright, and then for the downlight, okay, for the downlight you need to choose a rectangular ceiling. Okay, so I will choose another room. Okay, this one. Okay, you can zoom in. Okay, choose this room. Right, so first thing, before you do downlight, you need to offset first. Okay, just offset the ceiling and then right click. Okay, right click, go to downlight installation. Okay, then you can choose the downlight model, this one. Okay, choose any model, just double click and then tick this button, select all. Alright, and then down here you can adjust the distance. Okay, let's say 500, so you move further away. Okay, if you reduce it to 100, it will move closer. Okay, so this one is downlight distance. Okay, the distance between the light bulb. Okay, let's say we reduce it to 200. Okay, it will add more lighting. Okay, so that's how you adjust the downlight. Okay, so that's a new update for section edit and LED lights. Okay, so let's say you want to delete the downlight, you can right click, go to clear downlight. It will delete all the downlight. Alright.